Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to Pepe video update. Follow this channel if you're new, and you might not be able to see it again. And as far as we talked about the update yesterday, as expected, for our time frame, 1 resistance, 2, 3 and 4, and it actually did the magic. So yeah, we've managed to come down again. This was a momentarily move to the upside due to Bitcoin, and the reason Bitcoin did go up. Pepe did actually go up and followed Bitcoin as well, right? So right now, the thing with this one is that, we gotta go down. We have to go down. On the 1 hour time frame, it seems like there is a story being told, so I'm just going to navigate into the 1 hour time frame again. And the story being told on the 1 hour time frame is nothing more than a bear flag. When you move down like this, you made a flag right over there, and I'm going to zoom in there, and you do have this one right over here. So take the trend line, push the trend line like that, and we are going to take another line right over there, and we're going to push it right over here like this one. So what is happening is that as soon as you went down like this, you were moving, crawling up sideways. As soon as you crawl to the sideways, broke down, you move up, and when you moved up, you can see that you made a bearish harami candlestick right over there, and this was a retest, and you got rejection, right? So as soon as you got rejection, you start to move to the downside. You took this low, and when you took that low, you take this low. That pretty much confirms that this flag is now in play. Now the only way to invalidate that flag is actually to go above and break the flag itself, come above the flag, test this again. But unfortunately, when you do that, you still have to come above and break this as well. If you break that one and you back test, then you have to move to the upside. Now the thing is, one can say that you have a left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, but it doesn't really make sense to make a head and shoulder when you are already in a downtrend. So for me personally, the best scenario is that this is a bear flag on the 1 hour time frame, and what I'm about to tell you is that it actually takes you from there to there, and you are looking for a move down to 11,249. So a lot of different patterns are showing that technical target. The first pattern is that this double top actually shows you that you're looking for this technical target. That one small 1 hour bear flag shows you that very same technical target. Number two. Number three is on the daily as well. On the daily, if you look at it, you do have move down, bear flag, and this one also takes you to that very same technical target. So it actually looks like there's no one stopping Pepe coming down to this technical target. But again, if you do come down here, the question mark is what's going to happen. Are we going to continue to go lower, or are we about to get to move to the upside? Some people didn't realize that you did have this one green candle, and momentarily it actually looked like this red candle and the green candle, both of them, when they are combined, they actually formed in a bullish candle to go back up like a bullish engulfing. But I've always talked this about in my own trading course as well. I've made a lot of rules on candlestick reading, that when you make a candle, when you're making a candle like this, it only makes sense when you're making it at the support level. Let's say your support is down here, and the prices started coming from this point A right there, and they are moving down and down and down. Now if you make a bullish candle here, you think it's going to go back up, right? But that's not the case, because you don't make a bullish candle in the middle of nowhere. This candle, if it was made down here at the support level, that made more sense. It doesn't make sense in the middle of nowhere. So we basically just in the middle of nowhere. The same thing happened here as well. This candle right there in the middle of nowhere, but you still ended up going down, right? So that's it for this update on Pepe. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.